What's up there, sports car world? Cody here with Card Attractions, and we are ripping. Got some more Topps Chrome here we're gonna get into, so without further ado, we're just gonna rip. Hope you guys been having a good week. It's been a struggle around here to get some cards. I don't know what's going on lately, but luckily I still have a little bit of stuff to open. I don't know. I do have them 32 packs that I had set aside, so I really was thinking about selling them on eBay, let somebody else get some retail cards, but I don't know. We'll see. We got 2 blasters and we got 2 hanger boxes. Don't even need preview fire cards. Put them in my pack collection. Alright guys, so here we go. Bonus Sepia pack here. Freddie Freeman, Nicky Lopez, Cody Bellinger, and Brandon Belt. Okay, nobody big that I was looking for in there. Anybody new to the channel, I do appreciate the support by hitting that subscribe button. It's always nice. Hey, Justin Dunn there. John Means, and we got a, I don't know if this is an X Factor. What do they call this? But it's nice. Ronald Acuna Jr. Very nice card. Probably the best one so far. Alright, let's keep on going through these. We got Carter Kieboom. We got Seth Brown. Rookie. Ooh, Yordan Alvarez orange. Let me take it back here real quick. So. Wow, very nice. And it's number 8 of 25. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Very, very nice card. Wow, that's exciting. And then Nolan Arenado. Love to pull one of them like that of Luis Robert.
Oh man. Wow. Luis Robert hits one in front of the Royals Hall of Fame.
However, that is an excellent card there. We got Kyle Lewis. Great card to pull there. Mitch Haniger. Michael Conforto. Hey, Mark McGuire. I don't know if I got this one yet or not, but however, I will add it into my Mark McGuire collection. Very nice Yordan Alvarez hit. It's always exciting when you pull something cool like that. Gavin Lux. Waiting on my redemption fill. Bruce Gatorol. And Pete Alonso. Very nice. So I did pull a redeem card for Gavin Lux a while back and just sitting here waiting on it. Same with my, that's from Topps, and I'm waiting on 2 from Panini for Luis Robert as well. We got Alzolay rookie, Pete Alonso again, Arena, and Aaron Nola. All right. Jake Rogers, Noah Syndergaard, Nico Horner. Nice. Big rookie pack there. A Bo Bichette. Very nice. Alright, last pack for this blaster. Let's see what goodies we could get. Domingo Liba, rookie. We got Chris Paddock, Jose Ramirez, and hey, there's a Gleyber Torres refractor there. Very nice. Alright, bonus cards. Logan Webb, Anthony K, and Trey Turner. Jacob deGrom, Sean Murphy, AJ Puck. Very nice. Carlos Correa. Yu Chang. Sometimes these chrome are good and sometimes they're not. Oh, Dansby Swanson, nice card. Bryce Harper. Maybe because we got that Yordan Alvarez, that one gave him the Mills. That was a really nice card out of 25. We'll get it on the recap. Mike Soroka. Oh, Mike Trout. I got this one, but I'm going to sleeve it up and add it to the rest of them. Miguel Cabrera, Javier Baez, very nice Ricky Henderson. Might have pulled this once before. We'll sleeve that up though. Willie Adames. Oh, yeah, getting much there. Alright, last pack here for the blaster. We'll get into the hangers. Got one really great card out of the blaster, so oh, we do got a backwards card coming. Josh Hader. And it's I guess it's gotta be a short print. Very nice card. It's a refractor too. That's called very, very nice. I was hoping for the auto, but why? It's a very nice card. And then we got Mondesi. Alright, let's get into these little blaster boxes here. To me, it's a way better buy to buy the blaster box than the hanger boxes. The hanger boxes, because it's $5 different, $6. Dylan Cease, Kyle Seager, Jeff McNeil, refractor. Sorry about the last video, dropping the camera. Just getting new to this stand, so we should be good from here on out. Harold Ramirez, Matt Olson, and Trevor Story. Very nice card. Liam Hendricks, Nick Senzel, Rafael Devers, and another Bo Bichette. Very nice. Keston Hiura, Gleyber Torres. We got another refractor of Ronald Acuna. Alright, last pack for this little hanger. Oh, Eloy Jimenez, gold cut, very nice. Dylan Cease. Did not play so well that last night, but luckily, offense had his back. And defense, too. Alright, last hanger box here with the top chrome till I can find some more. Nick Senzel, Keston Hiura. Don't know much about him. Jose Altuve. Not a bad pack there. If I get a big hit or something, I might pull one of these packs, but as of now, I'm just going to rip them all. Jose Barrios, John Lester, Ronald Guzman, Michael Fulmer, refractor. Alright, so we got 3 packs left, guys, and we'll complete our break. 2020 Chrome. We got another Eloy Gold Cup. Here we go. We did pull an auto out of the hanger. Dom Nunez. Ain't nobody I was looking for, but however, it is an auto. So very nice. And it came out of a hanger. So that's always good. And then we got Carter Kieboom, Future Stars. Nice. Not a fellow, or if it would have been Luis Robert. Edwin Rios, another real good one there. Nick Solak and Keston Hiura. Alright guys, last pack right here. Topps 2020 Topps Chrome. You guys got comments, leave them in the box. I do appreciate you guys watching the channel. Once again, if you are subscribed, thank you guys very much for your support. And if you have not subscribed, do hit that subscribe button. I am uploading videos all the time. So, doing giveaways. Just nice. Eric Hosmer and George Springer refractor there. So, not a bad pull. Actually didn't pull no Luis Roberts out of this pull. But, I did get a couple good cards out of here. Ronald Acuna Jr. refractor. We got this Josh Hader. I guess this is a short print because it was backwards. So, I'm assuming. We'll have to look that one up. We got this Mike Trout. I've already got it, but great one here. Now, this card here, this Yordan Alvarez, this is an awesome pull. Number 8 of 25. So, that is very nice to be able to get that card here. So, we'll have to check and see how much that one's actually going for. And then we got the Ronald Acuna. And then, I don't know what they call this one because it's more shinier than the actual refractor itself. So, And last but not least, we did pull one auto, and the auto actually came out of the hanger box. It's a Dom Nunez. So those of you who do buy hanger boxes, they do produce autos. Because I just pulled this one. So, guys got comments, leave it in the box. Thanks, guys, for watching the channel. Stay tuned, and I'll try to get back and rip some more. Guys, have a great one.